Hi, I'm Patrick from Xolo, and welcome to this walkthrough of the life of a project in Xolo Go. And yes, that is me up in the top corner there. I'm using my own account to demo this. So, let's get started. As you might have guessed, you need to click New Project in the top right hand corner of your dashboard. And now you can dive right in. At the top of the screen you can see the different steps we're going to go through today, from creating your draft to getting paid. The first thing to do in your draft is add a new customer. If you've added one before, you can pick from a drop-down list, but we're going to add somebody new for this example. And I'm going to be my own employer so that we can see both mine and my customer's view of the process. And it's important to note here that your customer needs a valid EU-registered VAT number. You can then add a start and end date of your project, along with the currency you'll be invoicing in. Then you can add the description of the work. For me, I'm just going to put copywriting, choose the quantity, how you're measuring that, hours, days, weeks, months, or pieces of work, and your price. The net amount and VAT are then calculated automatically. And as long as you're happy, you can save your project. Now, you can email your own customer to take a look at the project themselves, make sure they're happy, and then accept it. In between, Xolo will review and approve the project, but you won't even notice. So, check you're happy with the email, you can edit it as much as you'd like, and then click Send. And now we can switch view and see what your customer sees. So, here's the email they get where they can click on this link. And just like in your dashboard, they can see an overview of how the project goes, step by step. They can check all the details and then accept the project. And now we're back to our dashboard to create our invoice. As you can see, your project has been approved by both Xolo and your customer. All the details are present and correct, and a project document has been automatically generated. So, we can click Create Invoice. Within the invoice you can amend any of the details, including the due date and interest in case your customer pays you late. And if you don't want to add any interest, you can just set this to 0. Once you click Save Invoice, that email window will pop up once again, where you can see a PDF version of your saved invoice which is going to be sent to your customer. Once again, you can edit the email as much as you'd like before you send it. But once you're ready, click Send. Now we can take a quick look at the invoice your customer will receive. This has all the relevant details, including the bank account they need to pay at the bottom of the page. Finally, we'll jump back over to our dashboard to see the best bit of all. Payment has been received. Obviously, at some point you'll have done the work to be paid for, and this is the payoff. Nice job! Thanks for joining me for this walkthrough of the life of a project in Xolo Go. Now, why not go and start your own project? Good luck!